Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Crafts. I'm just coming by today to, I've got a couple of hauls this week. I'm not going to have regular videos this week because of my never-ending camera trouble. I'm currently working on trying to get a new camera. So if you're interested in anything that you've seen on my channel, you can either go to my shop, my Etsy shop, which the link is listed below, or I'll try to put an iCard up on the screen somewhere. You can either go there and just purchase something. I've got everything from $20 items on up. Or you can go to my Facebook page and either just shoot me a message or comment on anything you see. Okay? Got that out of the way. First thing for these hauls. These are things that I've been ordering since back in February. I just was trying to put them all together in a haul. So I've made 2 haul videos out of said packages. And the first thing I got was a set of 10 different cigar boxes that I ordered off of Etsy. And I'm telling you, I couldn't be more pleased. They were all different. Each one of them was different. And completely different sizes, completely different styles. This one is one of those that has the lifting lid. I only think I got one that's got the sliding lid that slides out like this. Only got one of those, so that was good. I'm not going to show all 10 of them to you, sorry about that, but just keep in mind they're all different. Alright? Okay, these are the sets of Prima paints that I just got from Michael's. Again, they had a great sale. And these are the Sparks, which are a super metallic line of paints. This is the colors in this particular one. No, I guess it's not going to say on the box itself what the colors are. This is the next one that I got. Although this color looks a little more gunmetal and not quite so brown. Alright, and then this one. I think this one's called something like, I'm not sure. Alright, then these are the metallic. This one's just silver, gold, and bronze, I believe. Then I got this one. Now, y'all know I'm not a pink kind of girl, but I still thought it was pretty. And I actually got 2 with pink in it. And then there's this one. This one is a very bright jewel tone colors. Alright. Okay, this is the only thing I've gotten from Wish since the last haul I showed you. Okay, here's another couple of things that just came from Amazon. And these are the, I have no idea how to say that. I believe they're nail art tools. Either way, they have a silicone end and a ball tool end. Really, really neat. I'm looking forward to trying those out. And then, I know I'm behind on the times, but I finally got a set of the Pinata alcohol inks. Like I said, I know I'm behind on the times, but it's got a gold, black, a white, purple, green, blue, magenta, orange, and yellow. Okay. Again, I'm excited about using these. Trying them out on some projects. Okay. Alright. I got these two. They're the Memory Hardware Artisan Powder. This one is the Trianon Patina. And this one is the French Sage. I'm excited to try these. Okay, those just came from Stuff for Crafts. Again, I'll put the links below. Then I got a package of 50. I believe it was 50. They're the little heart toggles. Let me pull this set out so you'll get a chance to see them. Alright, and they're really nice quality. And a lovely little shape. Okay, and then I got two of the gelato sets. This one is the metallics, and this one is the iridescence. And I actually got these from Tupelo Designs. I have bought from them before, but they are very backed up on their shipping right now. So these actually took a month to get to me. So just a word of caution, if you order from them, you might have to wait. I still have another package coming, hopefully. Alright, and then these are the Sakura Micro Perm fine point pens. 1, the 3, and the 5. The 0.25 millimeter, 0.35, and 0.45. Alright, these are supposed to be really good for using on polymer clay. So again, I'm excited to try these. Okay, then I just had to share. I got lucky enough to find this little box at my local dollar store, which they completely redid, changed the whole thing around. This was the only one of these, and it fits all of my Art Alchemy paints perfectly. So I can't order any more or they won't fit. But for now, they fit perfectly. I was super excited. Okay, and the last thing I got for this particular haul is this crown mold, which came from Wish. It's got two different really interesting and very detailed and very hard to get out of the package. Little crown mold. Okay, that will be fun. This one even looks small enough that I would be able to use it on one of my faces. Both of them would be. How great. Alright, so that is it for this haul. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll have the links listed below, as well as the links to my social media sites, my shop, my Facebook page, etc. down below. Bye for now.